Podcast. I am Priyanka and today I am going to teach you poem The Banyan Tree, which is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for Gitanjali, which is a collection of his poems. He wrote Jana Gana Mana, which was adopted as India's national anthem. This poem is about a person who is reliving fond memories of his childhood. Now let's see what is the poem. Then I will describe. Oh, you saggy-headed banyan tree standing on the bank of the pond. Have you forgotten the little child? Likes the bird that have nested in your branches and left you. Do you not remember how he sat at the window and wondered at the tangle of your roots and plunged underground? The women would come to fill their jars in the pond, and your huge black shadow would wriggle on the water like slips struggling to wake up. Sunlight danced on the ripple like restless tiny shuttles, weaving golden tapestry. Two ducks swam by the weedy margin above their shadows, and the child would sit still and think. He longed to be the wind and blow through your resting branches, to be your shadow and lengthen with the day on the water, to be a bird and perch on your topmost twig, and to float like those ducks among the weeds and shadows. So, here the poet, in this poem, a speaker is asking a question. If he remembers a child that used to rest on his branches but has now left. So, do you know what it means? What is the meaning of shaggy? Shaggy can be described as thick curly hair. Okay, so in this poem, the poem is going to about to tell you about the tree. Maybe a poem about the nature. A speaker is asking the tree if he remembers a child that used to rest on his branches but has now left. He then asks if the tree remembers the women coming near to fill up their jars. Okay? Their water jugs and sunlight dancing on the water, and the animals playing as the child would sit and think. The child wanted to play on the branches of the tree and be a part of the nature and wildlife of area. The banyan tree is now a symbol of memories. Now what is happening? It's a symbol of memories of a child that once played on it. Now he is not playing, now it's a memory. It is a safe haven to the creature of nature, yet all the creatures who were indebted to it have now left it, leaving the tree in the state of quiet solitude. The speaker is asking the tree if he remembers that he was once full of life and love. So theme, do you know what is the theme of the poem? It's a theme. Nature, appreciate nature. For it is a place where you can think quietly about the facts of life as well as the draw inspiration for your own behavior. So in this poem, poet wants to explain about the memories. Now he just remembering those feelings. Okay, so this is the poem about a child, about a banyan tree, about the beauty of nature. Okay, so now that's all for today. Thank you. Read it and write it in copy. Thank you.